Recently, I attended an exciting masterclass on Italian pizza and a thrilling journey into the world of aromas and flavors. Right from the initial meeting with the chef, the decision transformed into a culinary quest. The chef shared secrets of preparing tomato sauce that gives the pizza its distinctive taste. It was fun to observe each of us creating our own culinary masterpieces. Then came the most captivating part, adding toppings. We experimented with various types of cheese, meat, and vegetables, concocting unique flavor combinations. The masterclass not only taught me the art of making pizza but also gifted me with experiences and inspiration. Now I know exactly how to conjure up true Italian magic in my own kitchen.
I'm tasting my pizza. It's great. I'm good cooker. Как тяжело было готовить. Очень. Ну, давай, покажу. Вкусно?
I also want to share a funny memory of how we painted pumpkins for Halloween. Having gathered with friends in a cozy place, we turned the mundane task of coloring pumpkins into a real art form. Each of us has chosen a unique design ranging from funny face to mysterious patterns. Under the guidance of our creative guru, we used bright paints and brushes to give our pumpkins a unique look. Laughter, jokes, and of course several unsuccessful attempts to create the perfect design made the evening incredibly enjoyable. When my pumpkins finally turn into bright Halloween masterpieces, we put them into a prominent place to add a touch of fun and mystery to our house. It wasn't just a creative process, it was a joyful way to prepare for one of the most exciting holidays of the year.